guys, welcome back to Pekka Diaries. My name is Priyanka Seth. In today's video, I created this look right here. But today's makeup is totally focused on combination skin. So girls, if you have a dry U-zone and an oily T-zone, this makeup is for you. But also, if you have a dry T-zone and a very oily U-zone, you can play around with the textures. In today's video, I'm going to use two textures, like two kinds of products. I'm also going to use liquid products and mattifying powder products. So you can play around with the textures of the products according to your skin type. So if you also want to know how I created this makeup look right here, then please continue watching my video. To start with today's tutorial, I'm going to use this Tinted SPF 50 Mousse. So it is a tinted moisturizer, you guys. It has SPF 50 in it. So this will protect your skin from sun, hydrate your skin, as well as it is going to give you a very light coverage. With a damp beauty blender, I'm going to just blend this product all over my face. Honestly, I'm okay with this coverage. I can go out with this tinted moisturizer only. But for today's tutorial, I'm going to use this LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer just to conceal a little bit under my eyes. You can skip this concealer, you guys. You can just go in with your BB cream or your CC cream. I'm going to use this Fit Me Poreless Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Porcelain. So this tutorial is totally about those girls who have oily T-zone. And with this powder, I'm just going to mattify my T-zone because this area of mine is oily. Always go a little bit under your eyes to set the concealer. I'm not going to powder my cheekbones because I want this area to be luminous and dewy. For my face, I'm going to use this palette. This is by Sugar Cosmetics and it is their Contour de Force Face Palette. This is in the shade 02 Vivid Victory and it has a bronzer, highlighter and a blush. If you want a palette for everyday look, this palette is amazing because it is compact. You can just throw it in your bag. You can touch up your makeup during the day. So highly recommend this palette. To lightly bronze and sculpt my face, I'm going to use this bronzer. With a small fluffy brush, I'm also going to contour my nose. So let me bring you a little closer for the eye makeup. So for eye makeup as well, I'm going to use this bronzer. You can use any brown eyeshadow that you have, but for a quick everyday basis, if you have a palette like this, it is very convenient to use the same products for multiple things. With the same fluffy brush, I'm going to put the shade into my crease. I'm going to use the same shade and I'm going to blend this all over my lid. So since this look is about mixing up the texture, you want some matte and also some shine on your face. For that, I'm also going to use this highlighter shade from here. So I'm just going to take a little on my finger and I'm just going to put it all over my lids, little bit on the inner corner and on the brow bone. I'm going to use the same bronzer on my lower lash line. I'm going to use this eyeliner on my lower waterline, and this eyeliner is by Maybelline New York. This is their 830 Shiny Bronze pencil. To fill in my brow, I'm going to use my Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. This is in the shade 02 Dark Brown. So I'm really liking this matte eyeshadow and a little highlighter on the top, but I also want to give my eyes a little bit more definition. For that, I'm going to use this Nika palette. This has a very dark brown shade in it. You can use any brown shade that you have. I'm just going to use a flat brush. I'm just going to take a little bit of the shadow. I'm just placing this eyeshadow very near to my lash line and I'm going to create a liner. For mascara, I'm going to use this Lash Sensational Mascara by Maybelline. I'm going to use this Benefit blush tint. This is a Go-Go tint by Benefit. I'm not going to use any powder blush for today's tutorial. I'm just going to take a little bit of this liquid blush, place this on my cheeks and blend it. This blush looks very natural to the skin. Again, I'm using a liquid product. This is a liquid highlighter by Benefit. I'm just going to use this liquid highlighter on my cheekbones and not on my nose or on my cupid bows because I want my T-zone to look matte. For lips as well, I'm going to use a matte lipstick by Huda Beauty. This is in the shade Venus. With this, that's the end of the series for everyday makeup looks. I have also created everyday makeup looks for normal and dry skin girls and a separate video for those girls who have oily skin. If you haven't watched those videos, I'm going to link those videos in the description down below and also on the end screen, so go watch them out. This is my version of everyday makeup look for those girls who have combination skin. I hope you liked this video, guys. If you did, then please give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.